So let me tell you why AI can never replace UI and UX designers. I know that you might have seen so many videos online where people talk about how AI will take UI and UX designers' job. And you've also seen so many people showcase designs created with AI agents like Claude or Stitch. And I had this belief earlier as well until I worked on a project which made me realize that AI will only take up like 30% of what UI and UX designers do, and I'll talk more about this later in this video. And then let me just tell you what made me come up with this belief that AI cannot take our job. So I came up with this belief after working on a project, and this project was about studio interface design for an application called Viral Miner. And the design, which is a studio interface design, is like a complex structure that needed so much decision making when it comes to the content on the screen. So I used one of the most popular AI agents that you might have heard of, which is Google Stitch. I told it to come up with the studio interface design, and the first results did not really have all I wanted. It had like 40% of what I wanted at that time. So I now started, doing like this follow-up prompt, and it still did not give me what I want. So what I did was I made a decision to come up with multiple versions of the design using that same prompt. And then I just created multiple charts, fed the AI agents the same prompt, and then it came up with different versions of the interfaces. So let me show you what the interfaces looks like before I actually picked up different UI elements to form the final version of Viral Miner Studio design. This is the interfaces generated by the AI agent. So when it generated the interfaces, I picked different elements here. I picked like this slide controller from this design. I picked the sidebar here from this design. I also picked the delete, the cut, the undo and redo. And I also picked in this because I like how it is designed. It just has to do with different vertical rectangles. So after that, I now collated everything here and created the final piece of the design, which is the studio interface for Viral Miner. So what I'm trying to say is that AI will not replace designers. It will only replace those who cannot think creatively, who cannot steal like an artist, because it required me to steal like an artist to be able to get the final results that I wanted at that time. So let me go back to why I think AI agents cannot replace designers. So the first one is when it comes to decision making. We humans can make decisions because we know how humans think as well. And when it came down to making decisions as to where to place certain elements, I was the one that made that decision, and I had reasons why I placed certain elements at certain locations. So I had reasons why I said, okay, I want this to have yellow color because it will communicate the brand's elements, and I had reasons why I said, okay, I want this wavelength. There are so many reasons and decisions that humans make that AI agents cannot really make. The second one is when it comes to research. I know you might have heard this a lot. When it comes to research, AI agents cannot really conduct certain type of research. They can conduct competitive research, which has to do with checking out competitors to find out what they are doing and what you should include or what you should not include when it comes to your own product. So that is something that AI agents can really do really well. And when it comes to usability testing, AI agents cannot really handle this because after the whole testing, you need to be able to maybe replay the video to find out what they are what the users did and what you expected them to do, and then you'll be able to study maybe their movement and everything that has to do with the testing. So AI agents might not really be able to do this, and this is what makes designers stand out. And when it comes to even field research, AI agents cannot conduct field research as well. So there are things that AI agents cannot do, and that's why I say they can only take 30% of things that we can do. So if you want to stand out as a designer, the thing you need to do now is to think of how to steal like an artist, because people who steal like an artist do not just incorporate what AI agents designs or spills out for them. They think creatively and look for a way to, adjust or steal different UI elements to form a perfect screen for their project. So you need to improve your research skills, how to conduct usability testing. You need to know how to make decisions. So decisions is like something that will make you stand out as a designer when it comes to this AI era. So I think that's all for this video. If you find it useful, don't forget to like, and then if you want more videos like this, don't forget to follow me and turn on notifications so you get updated when I post a new video. Until next time, keep creating.